I started doing some online, Facebook searches and all that kind of stuff. And I stumbled upon a group that was about creating YouTube content for real estate agents. I DM'd one of the people that was in the group that was posting pretty often. He was like, I post videos and people call me. And so I thought, if he posts videos and people call him, if I post videos, why wouldn't people call me? Step one is figuring out who you're making the video content for. Like, what's the person that you're trying to reach? Because I'm a firm believer, I got a marketing degree, and everything I learned in college was, if you're talking to everybody, you're talking to nobody. For me, the people that are moving here to Delaware, to the beaches, it's retirees. So I kind of went into it with the mindset of like, well, what does a retiree need to know if they're looking to move to the beaches? Step two is sitting down and actually putting together the thoughts of what you're going to talk about, whether that's bullet points or actual like line by line, if you're going to read it off a teleprompter or something like that. And then step three is just figuring out where you're going to film that video. Is it going to be in a corner of your office? Is it going to be sitting on your living room couch? You can really do it anywhere. For me, I happen to have a corner in my basement that wasn't being used, so that's where I set up shop. Step four is making the actual content. So now you're going to press record and you're going to talk to the video camera for the information that you've already written down. Once you're done filming it, I would 100% recommend hiring an editor from the start if you can afford it, because if you're anything like me, you were not a video editor expert. So you didn't know the software, you didn't know anything else. So you've wasted more time than you've ever spent making videos just by editing them and fixing your errors that you've made, over and over again. The cadence that I started was one video a week. It's the same cadence that I've held since I started the channel at the end of 2021. I never felt the need to go beyond that because it worked. Every social media platform, whether you're short form or long form, is going to favor consistency. So it doesn't need to be perfect and polished every time. So get after it. Just start doing it. The more content that you can make that isn't the best is going to be one step closer to making some of the best content.